Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am super excited to share how you can use ChatGPT for content creation. If you are a blogger, a marketer, or just someone looking to make your social media post pop, you are in the right place. So let's jump in. First, let's talk about using ChatGPT to generate blog posts and articles. Honestly, this tool can save you a ton of time and can give you a lot of ideas. To kick things off, you can ask ChatGPT for topic suggestions. You can just type something like, "What are some hot topics in digital marketing right now?" and enter. You will be amazed at the variety of ideas that pop up. Once you have got a topic you love, the next step is to outline your post. You can ask, "Can you help me outline a blog post about, let's say, on this topic right here?" And we can copy it from here and then paste it right here and enter. And yeah, this way you have a clear roadmap, which makes writing so much easier. Now comes the fun part, writing. You might say, "Can you write an intro for my blog post on this topic that we just outlined?" And we can write this right here. "Can you write an intro for my blog post on this topic that we just outlined?" And before you know it, you have got a solid start. It has given us some very good lines that we can use. You can keep it going by asking for specific sections like, "Can you write more about Facebook marketing?" And if it doesn't quite hit the mark, just let it know. You can always ask for changes. Now let's talk about social media. ChatGPT can also help us craft engaging posts, captions, and even hashtags. For example, if you need a caption, you can just type it right here. "Write a fun Instagram caption for a post about my travel to Spain," let's say, and it can help you with that. And we all know how important hashtags are. You can ask, "What are some trending hashtags relevant to it?" And this can help you reach more people and grow your audience. Now, if you want to boost interaction with your followers, ask ChatGPT to come up with questions. For example, "What are some good questions I can ask my followers about my page?" And yeah, it will give you a good list for that. Now let's talk about how to get the most out of ChatGPT with some quick tips for writing your prompts. The clearer you are, the better the results. Instead of saying, "Write about travel," try, "Write a blog post on the top 5 travel spots in Europe for 2024." Tip number 2 is set the tone. If you want a specific vibe like professional or casual or more of a fun, let ChatGPT know. You could say, "Write a friendly and casual blog post about 5 healthy drinks." And yeah, tip number 3 is iterate and refine. Don't hesitate to ask for changes if something is not quite right. You can always say, "Make this section more engaging," or "Make it more natural." ChatGPT can adjust based on your feedback. So there you have it. Using ChatGPT for content creation can really help streamline your writing process. It can help you with your blogs, social media posts, or just brainstorming ideas. This tool is here to make our life easier. If you found this video to be helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. I would love to hear how you plan to use ChatGPT for your content creation in the comment section below.